Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with an authorized user on your American Express credit card and need to remove them, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make it simple and straightforward. Whether it's for privacy reasons, financial changes, or just better account management, removing an authorized user can help you regain full control. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your American Express online account. Head over to the American Express website or app and enter your username and password. If you haven't set up online access yet, that's your starting point. Do that now for a smoother experience. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Services or Card Management section. This is usually found in the main menu. Look for the option that says Authorized Users or something similar. American Express might label it as Manage Users. It's all about finding that list of added users. Now, select the authorized user you want to remove. You'll see their name, possibly with details like their card number. Click on it and choose the Remove or Delete option. Before you confirm, double-check everything. American Express will likely prompt you for confirmation to prevent accidental removals. After confirming, the system will process the request. It might take a few minutes or up to 24 hours, depending on their policies. Remember, removing a user means they'll no longer have access to the card, so any linked payments or statements will be affected. If there are outstanding balances, you might need to handle those separately. One quick tip: always notify the authorized user beforehand to avoid any surprises or disputes. Also, keep an eye on your account for any changes post-removal. And if you run into any issues, American Express has excellent customer support. Just call the number on the back of your card. There you have it, folks. Removing an authorized user from your American Express card is easier than you think. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.